SMK Deshon.
My name is Fashila Lo.
My name is Ilan.
My name is Nurul Elana Lo.
My name is Nomazina.
My name is Dayang Amina.
First, let's take a look at our beloved ocean. As you can see, it is extremely polluted. This one material that highly impacted the ocean, and that is plastic. It has many immensely negative effects on the ocean wildlife. Thousands of marine animals die each year because of plastic debris. There are more ways for plastic can get to the ocean than you know. This has been an ongoing problem for years and still has not been stopped.
Not only plastic, but there are many materials that are found in the ocean. It's so awful that we even have an island called Pulau Sampah.
But what we can do to avoid it?
Well, the idea is using recycling and reducing will be a great idea. For example, we can use straw to make a straw bag to hold bottled water. Not only does this help reducing pollution, but it is also good and useful for us.
The material that is needed are straws, tubes, ropes, thread, hot glue, paper, scissors, and lastly a ruler. This is the process of us making it. The process including cutting, merging, weaving, and gluing.
Before making it, we had also drew the product sketch. Ribbon is used to decorate the water bottle bag. We decided to repeat two different colors for the bag, which is green and yellow.
The cost of these materials does not exceed 10 ringgit either. For the straws, we only need 2 ringgit for 2 packs, 80 cents for the tube, 2 ringgit and 50 cents for the string, and 1 ringgit and 50 cents for the hot glue.
That's all from us. Thank you.